if you already didn't know, I love animals. All animals. Especially little farm friends. Oh, hi little buddy. This teeny little bunny was just born recently at the critter barn. And it's just the sweetest little guy. And I'd like to take him home. But I think my husband would be upset because I already have a lot of animals. But I just want to keep getting more and more because they're great. I could take you. All right, this is Glenda. Glenda. Say hi to everyone, Glenda. Woo, pretty Glenda. Glenda. Woo, there goes Glenda. I'd like to introduce you to my new friend, Fuzzy Butt. Hello, Fuzzy Butt.
Got a piece of bubble gum there? Did someone give you a piece of bubble gum? Chewing it? Is it good? Yummy.
Do you want to come home with me? Yes, I will slip you in my coat. I can just slip you in my coat. Nobody will know. This is called catching a pig. You gotta trick them. Come here, oh, just about. Come here. Not you, Big Mama. Come here, little bud. Come over here. So you divert them with your fingers, and then they think, oh, I almost heard that one. Okay, come here. Got him. I got Mr. Rooster. Got my big boy right here. Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, you poor baby. You're just a couple weeks old, I'm told. Hi, honey. Okay, so first I got it. She said you clamp it so that the milk doesn't go up. It's got to come down. Ooh, there's one. Hey, that was a pretty good stream. It's nice and warm. Oh, this feels cool. Good. Oh, there we go. I love cows. See this? Oh,
You said you wanted them as food.
Oh. Don't listen to her. I didn't say that.
Yes, she wants to eat cows. She doesn't like
I didn't say
them.
that. I didn't say that. Come here, baby.
No, ow, let go. Let go, Mayor. Ow, help me. He won't stop. Bad goat.
You creep in really slow if you want to catch a bird. And then you just go in for it. Come here, girl. Bam. Oh, there's one. Bam, there's two. Get over. Wait, come here. Get over. Come here. Come. Wait. Come here, Marigold. No, I think they're on to me. Come here. Come here. Okay, here she comes. Hey, come on. This is my little Frenchman right here. Say hi, Frenchie. Hello. Got hit in the face by that one. Baby, his name is Rico.
How do you know?
Rico Suave.
How do you know?
Because his ear says Rico. So I think his name is Rico. This is Velvet. Hi, Velvet. Can you say hi, Velvet? She's all black. She's so pretty. Aren't you, Val? I'm finding out that my hair looks like straw to goats. And these goats want to eat me. Don't eat me. Hey, stop. Leave me alone. Ah. Hey, get off me, man. Hey, get off me, man. Goodness. I heard that the white choo-choos are biters. Did you hear that? Did you hear that about the white choo-choos? They're biters. Tell everybody you know. Pass it along. She's having a little bit of an attitude about it because she's not with her mama. But she's a cute little gal, aren't you? You're just a cute little baby pig.
Say hi to everyone. Hello!